Hello guys, this morning we are going on a hike all the way to Loch Lomond here in Colorado. So how far is it?
It's like 2.3 miles. This is actually our second time going. The first time we went a couple weeks ago and we got caught in a rainstorm, so we had to turn around and go back. So we didn't make it all the way to the lake. So we're excited to see the lake this time. Hopefully we won't get rained out.
Yeah, it's sunny today, so there is the forecast is saying that it's gonna rain around 1 p.m. So what time is it right now?
I think it's like,
let me check.
9:30?
And 9:45.
Oh, that's pretty close.
So hopefully we'll make it on time. We'll enjoy the Alpine Lake and then just come back for some hopefully light rain. Alright.
I'm planning on jumping in the lake, but we know that I always chicken out, so we'll see if it's gonna happen this time. Yes, we brought your bathing suit.
With your bathing suit?
Big price too, yeah. Yes, we have 2 towels. How uphill this trail is, but everything in Colorado is uphill and it's gonna be totally worth it. We're almost there. Looking forward to seeing the lake. We made it!
Yay! Look at this beauty.
I will jump in. You can see me on video.
Okay. Our second time here, and it started raining again, so we are heading back down to the car, but at least this time we got to actually see the lake and didn't have to abort before we even made it to the lake, so it was a good day.
Hey, what's good?